Namaste. Welcome to this video on jumping from down dog into Uttanasana with legs straight. So to do this, you're going to want to find a block and place it down at the midpoint of your mat. And I'll demo. In a down dog, we want to bend the knees and sink into it. And when we jump, we want to lean forward and spring off of our toes. And when we spring off of the toes, we straighten the legs and pull the toes in towards the face. So this should be the first action of just learning how to hop and flex your feet and pull the legs in towards the hips. Then from here, you jump over the block, taking the feet forward. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, bow. If you keep working like that, then eventually the feet will get in closer towards the hands. Let's challenge ourselves. Let's add in an extra block. Bend the knees. Squatting, squeezing all the air out. So when you jump, there's no air in the lungs, or there's just a little trailing out as you're leaping. Go for 3. All right, cleared 3. Now let's do toes to forearms. When jumping toes to forearms, keep the feet flexed through the air. So this keeps the leg muscles engaged and it keeps the legs lifting up into the hips to maintain a lightness, bringing the feet all the way into the arms. So again, keeping the feet flexed to keep the leg muscles engaged, leg bones lifting, toes touch forearms, lengthen, fold. And then when you jump regularly, you maintain that lift, bringing the feet all the way up between the hands. Again, one more time. Jumping, feet between the hands, squatting deep, exhaling fully, keeping feet flexed through the air, legs engaged. It's not necessary to jump high to get the feet all the way in. Instead, if you just keep the feet flexed, legs engaged, legs pulling into the hips, you can hover forward, nice and easy. Jai. I hope this video serves you in your practice. Om Namah Shivaya.